Collect NP and nasal samples with our Hologic RespDirect collection kit. Detect common respiratory pathogens with the Panther Fusion SARS-CoV-2, Flu A, Flu B, RSV, and Aptima SARS-CoV-2 assays. Our penetrable cap allows the sample to load directly onto the Panther system for testing. No uncapping, no recapping, and no specimen transfer steps. Deliver results with a one-step direct load workflow on the fully automated Panther Fusion system. Collect, detect, deliver with the RespDirect collection kit, offering a one-step workflow and the benefit of an automated workflow developed with laboratory professionals in mind.